How do you see his comment in this particular?
It is nothing less than arrogance, extreme arrogance of the Home Minister of Karnataka. I think it is unbecoming of a Home Minister. See, this exposes the double standards of Congress views and ideology. In Delhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji should tell us how serious they are for the cause of students and the youth. In Delhi, while CJP is doing protest, they support the same kind of youth when they are deprived, when they are met with injustice of the constables in Karnataka, when they are on strike. If Home Minister goes and says they should also protest for 25 days, and if need be, then he will resign. And after Lathi charge, all this he has said yesterday. It is really unbecoming of a Home Minister, and this has exposed a clear Congress. They are not serious about ideology, or they are not serious about youth or empowerment or the students' cause. They are trying to do politics. They are politicizing the situation to gain public sympathy and political gains. It is nothing short of this.
Sir, we have the way, in Karnataka cabinet, not a single woman took a chance in
Yes,
cabinet.
let the country see. Let the country see what's the difference between Modi ji's government and the Congress governments wherever they are ruling. They are ruling in hardly 2 or 3 states. In Karnataka, in a progressive state like Karnataka, can you believe that there is not even one woman representation? There is no representation for the fishermen community. There is no regional representation. Forget all this. There is not even one single woman representation. Is this the way Congress thinks really? Is this their real ideology or their concern, commitment towards the woman empowerment, upliftment? If there is no there is no opportunity for women in a cabinet, one person, then do you think these people are really serious about women empowerment as a whole? Absolutely. They are only doing politics, but Modi ji's government, they talk the walk, they walk the talk. They are walking the talk. So you can see how many women ministers are there in the center. In all our governments, in the state governments, you can see almost 20 states we are ruling. In all the 20 states, you can see how many women representation is there. This is the fundamentals, this is the ideology, what Dr. Ambedkar said, Swami Vivekananda said, all our social reformers have preached. Unless there is the equity, opportunities provided to women, no society can be developed, no governments can develop, no country can develop.